Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn off Wi-Fi calling on your Android device. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the settings of your Android, and once you're on this page you will have to tap on the magnifier on the top right corner of your screen, and then you will have to search for Wi-Fi calling. Then tap on search bar and Wi-Fi calling, and after that tap on Wi-Fi calling on the top of your screen, and it will take you to a new window where you'll have to tap on Wi-Fi calling on the bottom. And if it is turned on, by default it is turned on, and if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is to toggle this off. Now you can see the Wi-Fi calling is being turned off. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.